The GroWings Baby Keepsake Box feels genuinely spacious, easily holding bulky items like first blankets, tiny outfits, and hospital memorabilia in one organized place. Its sturdy construction, reinforced sides, and strong metal handles give real confidence that the contents will stay protected through years of moving and rearranging. The collapsible design is surprisingly practical, letting you fold the box flat when it is not in use without sacrificing durability when it is assembled. The coordinated safari animal artwork looks thoughtfully done, making the box attractive enough to leave on display in a nursery or playroom rather than hiding it in a closet. Inside, the generous interior makes it simple to group milestones together, so things like first shoes, cards, and small toys do not end up scattered around the house. Overall, it works very well as a sentimental gift for new parents, offering a long-term home for keepsakes instead of a random mix of drawers and bags.